Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Check design inspiration for a girl's bedroom. Encompass the world of stylish possibilities tailored to the unique tastes and preferences of young individuals. These inspirations go beyond conventional notations, introducing a blend of sophistication and youthful exuberance, from elegant color schemes to playful decor elements. Each design choice contributes to creating a space that reflects personality and fosters creativity. Incorporating whimsical accessories, personal artwork, and versatile furniture, these designs offer both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. The result is curated and chic environment that goes with the evolving taste of its inhabitants. Embrace the charm of these inspiration to craft a girl's bedroom that is not only visually delightful but also a heaven of self-expression and comfort. Experiment with the thematic elements like fairy tale inspired motifs or bohemian chic details to add a touch of magic to the room. Consider versatile storage solutions that cater to both style and organization, fostering a clutter-free yet aesthetically pleasing atmosphere. These chic design inspiration for girl bedrooms are a celebration of creativity, offering a canvas for imagination and a cozy retreat for rest and play. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.